Hello everyone, welcome to Computer Mem's class. I know, this is the month of March and your exams are just over. But the students of class 8 and class 10 are facing the biggest question of their life. Which subject are you going to choose? And one of the most confusing option is computer science. So in this video, I will help you understand whether you should choose the computer science or not, clearly and honestly. This is part 1 of the series. In part 2, I will help you decide which subject to choose, as there are many options available like computer science, computer application, information technology, artificial intelligence, etc. So let's focus on the most important question. Should we choose computer science? Many of you may think computer science is only for coding jobs, but that's not true. In today's world, professionals from every field use computers to do their work. Doctors and medical staffs are using computers to manage patients' data, analyze reports, even they are using advanced machines to treat patients. Business professionals are using computers to manage data, analyze performance, and make decisions. Teachers are using computers to create contents, study notes, manage classes, and teach digitally, just like me. Researchers use computer to analyze data, run experiments, and make discoveries. Transportation systems use computer for booking, navigation, and traffic control. Bank employees are using computers to store data, handle transactions, and maintain security. In media, designers and editors are making videos, graphics, and animations using computers. So in simple words, in almost every profession, computer is the integral part of the work. So even if you don't become a programmer, computer science will still help you. But if you do want to go to tech professions, it will open doors to software developer, AI engineer, cyber security expert, data scientist, and many more fastest growing careers. Many of you may ask me, ma'am, can't you start it later? Yes, you can always start it later. But starting it in school will give you some huge plus points. Let me tell you from my own experience. I started studying computer science in college, but many of my friends already started it in school. And honestly, they were way ahead of me. They were already comfortable with coding while I was still struggling with basics. That's why starting early helps you to build strong basics. It will clear your understanding of concepts from the very beginning. It will help you to improve your step-by-step thinking and problem-solving skills. You will get more confidence. You will feel comfortable while coding and answering. It will make your college journey easier. You won't struggle with programming later. So yes, you can start later, but starting early will make your journey much easier. Now let's talk about the present. How it will affect your mark sheet. Computer science is a logical and practical based subject. So once you understand the concepts, scoring becomes easier. It is an easy scoring subject. So if you understand the concepts properly, your marks is going to be high. Let's discuss if you should choose the computer science or not. You should take computer science if you are a person who thinks logically, does not like to just memorize long notes but understand the concepts, who is curious about technology and someone who is ready to practice. But if you are a person who prefers only theory and memorization, don't like to practice much, does not enjoy understanding how things work, then you may avoid the subject. Computer science is not just a subject anymore. It is a life skill nowadays. It will never limit you. It will only open opportunities. In part 2, I will help you to choose CS, IT, AI, what's best for you. So don't miss it. If this video manages to help you a bit, comment down your class and boards below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Computer Mem.